Hi, I'm Leslie Donovan. I'm one of Helen Damico's master students and later her colleague. I'm delighted to be able to help celebrate the 40th anniversary for the Helen Damico Medieval Lecture Series. It has been such a pleasure to have attended and benefited from at least 34 of the lectures that Helen so beautifully created for us. Helen was my main mentor as a graduate student. In fact, she changed my life, my academic life, as well as my personal life.
As I remember Helen, I am extremely grateful for everything that she did for me, the way that she guided me through those difficult years of college and trying to find where I was meant to be. And I remember distinctly one of the most important conversations I had with her was not when we were gardening around this time of year in her backyard, but it was after a lecture series which she loved so much. And she shared with me the story that is always an inspiration to her and now to me as well, of Bede there instructing his students as he's preparing for those final moments. The way that Bede poured himself out for the good of others is something that Helen spoke to me at length about. And she likened the profession of a professor with that of a member of the clergy, of bringing light to those in darkness, of instructing them, of guiding them. And that's something I've kept with me as I continue to rejoice in all of the things that she taught me, all the lessons that she provided. It's a great joy to remember her today.
Helen's influence on my scholarship was profound. She instilled in me a passion for Old English and insular culture that sustained me throughout my doctoral studies at the University of York, and then throughout my subsequent career teaching classes here at UNM and Georgia Tech. 25 years later, I still occasionally teach Beowulf and Old English elegies, now to high school students using insights and the proper pronunciation I learned from Helen.
So, the first time I met Helen, it was actually at the very first day of Introduction to Medieval Studies, which was a remarkably large course. There were 28 or 32 students who all sat in this huge circle in this classroom with Helen standing in the center, lecturing us and kind of walking around the circle. What was so amazing was that she called us all by our last names. So it took until the middle of the semester before I realized that my friends who I'd made in the class weren't just Mr. Whoever or Miss Whoever, that they actually had first names. But that course, where we read some of the most important texts in medieval tradition, laid the foundation for quite literally everything I've studied in my lifetime. And she also provided a model of an engaged, rigorous professor who taught students, who took students seriously, and who took her own subject seriously without ever necessarily taking herself entirely seriously, although she cut quite a figure. So that's Helen Damico for me.
Helen Damico created a gem of many facets when she established the medieval program at UNM some 40 years ago. The touchstone for her was to bring top-quality medieval scholarship to Albuquerque and to engage the public thereby. The program is unique in North America and quite possibly in the world. Helen introduced a medieval track for students at both the undergraduate and graduate levels. She launched an outreach initiative to our local high schools. And then there was the jewel in the crown, the lecture series that now celebrates its 40th anniversary and that has brought to our campus so many of the world's leading medievalists. from the United States and Canada, from the United Kingdom and Ireland, from Scandinavia, and from Russia. What astonishing vision! What a remarkable accomplishment! We cherish Helen's memory with love and affection.